Lilly House by Aslam Sham Architects in Calicut, India. Nestled within this architectural masterpiece's embrace, Lilly's symbolic resonance becomes a profound embodiment of purity and tranquility. Enveloped by lush lily ponds, this residence becomes a sanctuary, an oasis of serenity meticulously crafted to offer respite to its inhabitants after the relentless demands of a bustling day. This tropical haven, seemingly suspended in an ethereal equilibrium, is a manifestation of understated luxury, where a palette of varied wooden tones and vernacular-inspired forms converges to create an immersive experience. As one traverses the thresholds of this dwelling, a floating illusion unfolds, an enchanting spectacle that materializes once you cross the bridge, transcending the ordinary into a realm of architectural marvel. The open-floor layout, orchestrated with finesse, seamlessly integrates with the play of volumes, ushering in abundant natural light and a pervasive sense of airiness. Like a symphony, the design orchestrates the elements to compose a harmonious interior where tranquility and clarity intertwine. The verdant tapestry of tropical landscaping interweaves seamlessly with the built structure, painting pockets of greenery across the entirety of the residence. These natural enclaves enhance the aesthetic appeal and serve as pockets of solace, connecting the inhabitants with the rejuvenating embrace of nature. The intricate wooden details, meticulously woven into the fabric of the project, stand as a testament to a reverence for the past while embracing the demands of the present. Each detail, a brushstroke in the narrative, bridges the temporal gap, creating a timeless ambience that resonates with history and contemporary allure. The ingenious architectural decision to split the roofs into multiple levels is brilliant, breaking down the voluminous structure into a humbler, more intimate scale. This deliberate choice adds visual intrigue and fosters a sense of approachability, inviting inhabitants into a grand and welcoming space. In the symphony of design, this residence stands as a magnum opus, a testament to the fusion of tradition and modernity, a haven where the delicate purity of lilies finds resonance in the architectural poetry that unfolds within its walls.